Would you date an ugly guy with amazing personality?
Appearances just ceases for a moment as you grow older.
Are you single or you're in a relationship?
I'm currently single.
Hi, I'm Lorie and welcome back to the Fuentes Family Channel. In today's video, we are going to have a little fun and interview beautiful Filipinas from Naga City, Bicol, Philippines and ask them, would you date an ugly guy with amazing personality? Let's find out. Enjoy the interview. What is your name?
Hi, my name is Angelica.
Angelica. Are you single or you're in a relationship, Angelica?
Single.
For how long have you been single?
NBSB since birth.
Since birth. No boyfriend since birth. Beautiful. You're studying?
Yes.
May we know what's your course?
Legal management.
Legal management. Okay. Anyway, Angelica, would you date an ugly guy with amazing personality?
Um, of course, I would rather choose the ugly guy with amazing personality rather than the attractive guy with no personality at all. Because in no time, looks or the appearance may fade, but the personality it will last long.
What's your name?
Shine.
Shine? That's very unique. Shine. How are you tonight?
I feel good.
You feel
Uh,
good? She just came from salon. That means she looks very beautiful. What's your job?
I'm a pharmacy owner po.
She's rich.
No, no.
How old are you?
I'm 26.
26. Okay, anyway, Shine, here's the question. Would you date an ugly guy with amazing personality?
Yeah, of course. Because personality exists for a lifetime. And then appearances just ceases for a moment as you grow older. Also, if that person has a sense of humor, I'll go with the personality, of course.
What's your name?
I'm Anne.
Anne. Very cute. Easy to remember, Anne. How old are you?
24.
So you're working, right?
Yes.
May we know what's your job?
Sales admin.
Sales admin. Wow. Are you single or you're in a relationship?
I'm currently single.
How long have you been single?
2 years.
2 years. That's quite long already. You need a boyfriend. Okay. Anyway, would you date an ugly guy with amazing personality?
For me, yes. Based from my point of view, I don't exactly check the physical appearance of a person as long as he is good to me and he has a good personality, a good attitude, a good characteristics. That's all that's matter. And of course, if he loves me very much.
That's very beautiful. Are you looking for like a serious relationship at the moment?
Actually, I don't look for love. I just wait for the right person. Yeah. I don't want to look for love because they said that love will find their way.
What is your name?
My name is Rose.
Rose. And you are?
Norse.
Norse. Rose and Norse. How old are you, Rose?
I'm actually 23 years old.
23.
Yeah.
And you are?
23.
23. Both 23. How are you tonight? You feel she looks like she's very like
feel great.
may we know why?
No. No, actually, no. Bagong sahod. Char.
Oh, she just got her salary, that's why.
New salary.
Salary. And how are you tonight?
Okay lang.
It's okay. Okay. Rose, would you date an ugly guy with amazing personality?
For me, it's just fine. I'm just fine with that.
So you will.
Yes, I do.
May we know why?
No, actually, the face does not actually matter. The personality matters. That's why I got my 5 years relationship with my boyfriend right now.
I see. Okay. Face doesn't matter. How about you, ate? How about you, Norse? She's very shy. Would you date an ugly guy with amazing personality? Yes or no?
Um,
Yes or no lang?
no.
No. May we know why? Why no?
Ano ba?
Bakit? Tabo mong makipag-date sa pangit. Why? She's shy, but her answer is no. Anyway, salamat!